Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and today in this video I will show you how to cut, copy and paste in Microsoft Word. So first you need to know that cut is copying from the source and deleting it from the source, whereas copy is copying it from the source and not deleting it from the source. So let me give you an example. So in order to cut, you need to select the text you want to cut and right click on it, and in this menu just click on cut. So the shortcut key for this cut is Control X. If you press Control and X in your keyboard, that's basically going to cut your text for you. So to paste it, you need to right click on the space you want to paste and click on the paste options you want. So there you have it. The text that I cut earlier has been pasted to a different location. So the next one is copy. So in order to copy, you need to select it again, right click on it and click on copy. So the shortcut key for copy is Control C. And after that, go into a blank space where you want to copy it and click on the paste options. And there you go. You have just copied the sentence that you selected earlier. So as you can see that this time the sentence from its origin hasn't disappeared. It's because this is the copy feature. So finally you have the paste option, and the shortcut key for paste is Control+V, and that's it. All of these methods apply for other Office applications as well. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.